Okay, in this video, we're going to teach you how to make an omelet. And first thing you're going to need is your vegetables. We've got onions and sliced up peppers in here. They're really good. Then you need some meat. We got the ham, good old ham. Ready to slice up and cube up a couple little pieces of that. Be really good. And of course, eggs. And because I like salsa in mine, I got some salsa too. And you're also going to need a large mixing bowl. Here is everything all mixed together. I gave a rough cut to the vegetables because they were only sliced. And then I also did the same for the ham. In there, I have 7 eggs mixed in. Now at this point, you might want to add some cheese if you like cheese. You can just melt that cheese right in there and be all sticky and gooey and good. And remember, these are raw eggs, so you need to cook these to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And to keep things clean, because I've had salmonella food poisoning before, and it ain't pretty. Okay, I got my pan out, I got my flame on. I'm going to put a little bit of oil into the pan. A little bit of oil, like that. You want to get a nice coating in there. You know it's ready when it gets all thin. But yeah, you can't see it on camera, but I can see it in my eyeball. Be all thin. Okay. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to pour it in, just like so. Try to get all my ham out of there. It's a good part. And, oh yeah, gotta put a cover on there. It'll cook faster. Cover will trap the heat inside of the pan, and the heat will just roll around inside the cover, and it'll cook faster. And you'll end up burning less gas and spending less, ultimately. And now we can see the middle result. I still need to flip this thing. As you can see, I added cheese because I like cheese. I'm American. I like cheese. Dairy, poultry, meat, vegetables, salsa. All of it. I'll see what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spatula. I'm going to check the edges of this thing, see if I need to flip it yet. Nope. No. I need to turn the heat down. It's starting to burn on the bottom. There we go. Lid back on. I'll know it's ready when all that cheese on top melted. That's when I'll be ready to flip. And now for a garnish, we're going to use a little salsa. Just going to take that and pour it right on the top. Just like so. A little more. Ooh, that little good right there.